Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to lock desktop icons in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure everything is completely booted up before proceeding with the next steps. This ensures all your desktop elements are properly displayed and ready to be configured. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop clearly, right-click on any blank space on your desktop. This will bring up a context menu with several options for customizing your desktop environment. From the options that appear, hover your cursor over the View option. You'll notice the menu expands to reveal additional settings specifically related to how your desktop icons are displayed and organized. Now here's the key step to locking your icons in place. Within the expanded View menu, you'll see an option called Auto Arrange Icons. Go ahead and click on this option to enable it. What this feature does is incredibly useful. It keeps all your desktop icons within an active grid system and prevents you from freely moving them around your desktop. Essentially, this locks the icons into fixed positions, ensuring they stay exactly where the system places them and can't be accidentally dragged or rearranged. This is perfect if you want to maintain a consistent, organized desktop layout without worrying about icons being moved out of place. And that's it. You've successfully locked your desktop icons in Windows 11 using the Auto Arrange feature. Your icons will now remain in their designated positions on the grid. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.